So, towards the end of last year, Samsung released the upgrade to the Samsung A11. That's the Samsung Galaxy A12. This guy. And this phone is almost perfect. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys everything there is new about this device, the specs, the price. I'm also going to be sharing my thoughts, what I think of this device, and also if the Samsung Galaxy A12 is worth its price. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new here, hey, welcome to the channel. It's nice having you here. So subscribe to the channel and join us. Let's shoot. So first, let's just out the specs of the Samsung Galaxy A12. So here are the specs. It has a 6.5-inch LCD display, Android 10, MediaTek Helio P35 processor, up to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, a 48 megapixel main camera, 5000 mAh battery, and get this, the Samsung Galaxy A12 cost $170 or 67,000 naira for the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage variant, which I think will be the most purchased variant. But the price does go up the higher the RAM and storage capacity. The Samsung Galaxy A12 is completely made out of plastic. So it has a plastic back and a plastic frame. It has a 6.5-inch 720p LCD display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 264 pixels per inch. So YouTube and Netflix videos will be capped at 720p. To the top of the display, we find the V notch for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. To the top of the phone, we have the speaker. To the right, we have the volume rockers and the power button. The power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and this is my preferred position for the fingerprint scanner. To the left, we have the dual SIM and memory card slot. At the bottom, we have the headphone jack and the USB Type-C port. To the back, we have the camera, LED flash, and some Samsung branding. The rear design is simple and plain, and I like it. I control vibe. The Samsung Galaxy A12 is running Android 10 based on Samsung One UI. And yes, you get software updates. Android 11 update probably towards mid-year. The cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A12 are pretty good. So this device has a 48 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth and macro camera, and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. And from the samples I've seen, the cameras are actually impressive. In fact, this is the most impressive part of the phone. The 48 megapixel main camera will give you some crispy shots. This phone is also capable of shooting video at 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second at both the front and the back camera. The Samsung Galaxy A12 has a 5000 mAh battery capable of 15 watts of fast charging. So you are pretty covered for battery life and charging speed. But I said something at the beginning and at the title of this video. The Samsung Galaxy A12 is almost perfect. This phone has a decent display, really nice design, software updates, very good camera, and good battery. The Samsung A12 seems pretty good, right? But the chipset, the MediaTek Helio P35 processor, this is the only part that isn't so good. This is a 2-year-old processor from MediaTek, and that alone is a turn off. I really wish Samsung put the MediaTek Helio G80 or maybe Snapdragon 665 to have been so much better. The processor will run your regular apps fine, and graphic intensive game will play, but be ready for some lag. So if you're looking for an affordable phone that has very good cameras, a decent display, good battery life, software updates, and you don't mind for a processor that isn't so powerful, you should definitely consider the Samsung Galaxy A12. Anyway, that's it. By the way, what is your favorite feature of the Samsung Galaxy A12? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.